Hello everyone, today me and my group would like to present about our program, which is SmartPark Campus Car Park Slot Finder and Reservation System. Our group name is SPAM Group, and it is made up of 3 members: Fernando Chong our leader, Darren Chong and me, Voon Kang. SmartPark Campus Car Park Slot Finder and Reservation System is an intelligent Python-based parking management system designed to enhance campus parking efficiency through real-time monitoring and smart reservation features. The system provides users with up-to-date information on available and occupied parking slots across different campus zones, for example Zone A, B, C, ensuring quick and informed decision-making. Through an interactive map interface, users can easily visualize parking availability using colored code system, improving accessibility and user experience. From a processing perspective, the system performs validity of users' input, number of parking slots, location of available parking slots, notify when there are new parking slots, and generation of reservation confirmation and reports. Additionally, the program allows users to reserve parking slots in advance, reducing uncertainty and eliminating the need to search for parking upon arrival. From an administrative perspective, SmartPark includes a centralized dashboards that enables monitoring of parking usage, user activity, and report generation for better management and planning. By replacing the traditional trial and error approach to finding parking, the system reduces traffic congestion, saves time, and promotes a more efficient use of campus parking infrastructure. SmartPark integrates an interactive map interface, like slot availability data and a reservation module, all accessible via web and mobile. Overall, the system aims to minimize congestion, optimize parking space utilization, and provide a seamless, user-friendly solution to a common campus problem. The program objectives are to reduce the time spent searching for parking spaces on campus, to reduce traffic congestion on campus, to collect parking usage data for the campus, to improve utilization efficiency of available parking spaces, to assist campus management in monitoring parking usage patterns, to ease our frustration when we are unable to find a car park, to identify peak parking hours and high demand zones. The strength of this program is that it is simple, user-friendly, and suitable for the simulation of a real-world parking system. The system also provides real-time updates on parking availability across multiple campus zones. It also reduces driving around campus unnecessarily, time saving when searching for car parks, and it is simple and scalable design using file handling. However, there are also some limitations, which is that this program requires an internet connection to reserve a parking slot, and some users might not show up after reserving a parking slot. All people who have fallen behind in technology are unable to use the app correctly. And sometimes it is not always accurate because it depends on the collected data by car park users. The system also depends on manual user input, which could lead to input errors. So this is our SmartPark campus slot finder and reservation system, and this is the login and sign up page. Over here you can sign up as a student, staff, or guest. So yeah, I will be using the admin account, so here's the admin account. Okay, so after logging in, we will be able to see the parking slot availability of 4 zones, which is Zone A, Zone B, Zone C, and Zone D. Zone D is the VIP priority lane, which is for VIP members only. And we can be a VIP member by buying the VIP subscription, which we can find down here at the navigation bar. As you can see, we only have to pay one time, which is RM25 for 6 months. And the VIP benefits are we can gain access to Zone D, and it has 5 reserved priority slots, and it has no queue, and it is instant availability. VIP members also get a 50% parking discount, and here we can subscribe. As you can see, when you click it, it will show a confirmation for your VIP subscription, and click yes, and you can become a VIP member. Here, as you can see. Is the reserve parking slot panel, as you can see, and over here we can enter our vehicle license plate, for example, and we can choose our parking zone A, B, C, and D. If you're not a VIP member, you will not have this D option. So I'm gonna click the D option since I'm a VIP, and as you can see here, we have a 50% off for VIP members. And today is the 31st of May, so I think I'm just gonna book a time for it, and I will pick maybe 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock in the evening, and reserve a slot. As you can see, after pressing that, you have this UI pop up that shows payment summary for your parking slot. Click yes, and then it will say that the slot has been reserved. You can also go over to my records here, and you can see your booking records. Here it shows your ID and your username. Here the vehicle you registered for the parking. This is your parking zone, and this is the zone slot for your car. And here's the starting time of your reservation to the end, and this is the date. You can also cancel your booking over here by typing your booking ID, which mine is BK001. Here it shows that you have successfully cancelled it, and this is the admin report. The admin report shows the total booking and the total slots available and the total slots occupied. Here is the zone breakdown. Right now there's 0 because I just cancelled my booking, and if just now I didn't cancel, it will show the booking information. It is the same as the one in my records just now. This is the smart zone recommendation. It is based on the data we obtain, and then it will be used here. And right now it shows that zone A is the best because it is best balance of space and it is low congestion. Right now I'll reserve a slot one more time, just to show the admin report. As you can see here, and after reserving a slot, you cannot reserve a slot again, but you have to cancel the current one. As we go over to the peak hour analysis, we can see that we can choose day to day from Monday to Sunday, and right now it shows this because I just booked it 5 to 6 in the evening, and it says it's not too busy because there's only one booking for now. And you can also go to the reviews and rating here to give our review of this program. You can give a rating of 1 star to 5 star. You can leave a comment. Maybe like, this program is really easy to use, and we can submit the review. Here you can see that there's another person who already posted a review, and we can reply to it. This is the one that I just posted. Reply. Oh, and your reply cannot be empty because you cannot reply nothing, and it will pop out this error message. Maybe you can reply, I totally agree with you. Reply. So, as you can see. At the bottom right of the program, we can see this music on or off, and we can, if we press on the music, will start playing. And over here at the top right, we can actually click it to see our profile and our payment history. Profile here will show our username, our role, which my role right now is admin. It will either show student, guest, if you register as those. And we can also set our status to available, busy, or away. We can also add our bio, which, for example, like I am very handsome, and we can save the profile, and you say profile save. And this is the payment history.
Hello, my name is Fernando and I'm the leader of the group. Now I'm going to explain about the function that it's about smart recommendation algorithm. This function right here, get smart recommendation. This function uses a custom scoring formula to intelligently recommend the best parking zone. It doesn't simply pick the zone with the most empty slots. Instead, it combines two pieces of data. First, count zone stats right here from stats equal reads parking data.txt to get how many slots are currently available in each zone. Second, get zone bookings from history equal here scans reservation.txt to count the total historical booking traffic per zone. This formula available right here from scores equal. This whole formula is it's to like balances current availability against long-term demand. A zone with 4 free slots but 20 historical bookings scores lower than a quieter zone with 3 free slots and only 2 bookings. The max from right here, the max bracket scores key equals scores dot get right here, then it calls with this key equals scores dot get, then picks the zone with the highest score. This feature goes beyond the scope of a basic car park system. The review symbol in car park has no such recommendation engine. Now let's move on to the next function that I would like to talk about. This function is a peak hours analysis with custom bar chart. This function right here, get peak hours, is a data analysis function. It scans every reservation record, extracts the start hour from index 6 of each CSV line, and builds a dictionary mapping each hour to its booking frequency. The result feeds directly into the visual chart. The chart itself is drawn entirely from scratch using tkinter canvas. Each bar is drawn as a rectangle body topped with an oval to create a rounded, pale shape. Bar height is proportional to the booking count relative to the global maximum across all days. This is normalization, a data visualization technique. The current hour is highlighted in coral red with a live dashed indicator line, and the day of week tabs allow the user to compare traffic patterns across the week. This is generally analytical improvement over the source system. Now let's continue with another function. The function that I'm going to talk about is a role-based authentication. This function right here, authenticate user, it uses a dual path validation design. When the selected role is admin, it does a direct dictionary lookup in admin accounts, a hard-coded dictionary of 3 fixed admin IDs, and their specific passwords, making admin access fast and independent from users' files. From all other rows, it scans users.txt line by line, splitting each CSV record into username, password, and row, and performs a case-sensitive match, returning a tuple from right here. A true row or false like that means the caller always knows both whether login succeeded and what the authenticate role actually is, allowing the UI to check that the role selected matches the store role, preventing, for example, a student account from logging in through the admin tab. Now I'm going to continue with the register user right here. This function, it enforces 6 separate validation rules before writing to disk. All fields must be filled. Username must be 3 to 20 alphanumerical characters. Password minimum 6 characters. Passwords must match, and the username must not already exist in the users.txt.
The next feature is our VIP system with fee calculation. All our pricing constant live in config.py file, and RM25 for a 6-month subscription, RM1 per hour for a normal user, and RM50 for a VIP. VIP have a 50% discount, and we keeping them here means one can update the entire program automatically. Here is the is_VIP function and grant_VIP function. Is_VIP function read the user's profile and return their VIP status, and is called everywhere across the program. The grant_VIP function does a targeted in-place update, finding only that user's role in profile.text and flipping column 4 from 0 to 1, and without touching anyone else's data. This is the function to calculate fee. Start time passes the time string into that time object. Subtracting then give a time delta, and dividing dot second by 3600 to convert it to hours. The rate is picked dynamically based on VIP or standard, and the fee is rounded to 2 decimal places for ringgits. It returns both hours and fee so the GUI can display both to the user. So here is the function to record the payments, and every transaction, whether a parking fee or a VIP subscription, get loaded here. The description has commas replaced with semicolon to keep our CSV format intact. It generates a unique ID like pay001, pay002, and append a permanent timestamp record to payment.text.